Welcome aboard and thank you for tuning in. I'm Captain Z. We're about to explore something truly revolutionary. Watch close.
Okay, we're live. Before we dive in, here's a little context. In a lot of IBM integration work, we're dealing with event-driven architectures running on IBM event streams, Kafka running on inside Cloud Pak for integration, often deployed on an OpenShift cluster hosted directly by IBM. Projects like this member outreach simulator are the kind of workloads teams run to test producers, consumers, and streaming patterns before wiring everything into a full integration flow. Today, I'm going to do a quick off-the-cuff show and tell of how to download an IBM GitHub repository to your desktop, open it in Visual Studio Code, and enable the ChatGPT Codex extension to help automate as much coding work as possible. We'll start with the clone operation. This member outreach project is Python code written by Dave Bellagio from IBM. I've downloaded his repository into my documents folder. I'm on a Mac, and inside my Git root directory, I now have the member outreach folder. This is now a Git repository. I don't know much about this code base, but that's the point. We'll let the tools tell us what we need to know. In Visual Studio Code, I open the Explorer panel and select Open Folder, then navigate to the root of the downloaded repository. All of the files and directories appear in this sidebar. I've already installed ChatGPT Codex into Visual Studio Code, so it shows up as an additional tool. ChatGPT can now see the contents of the folder shared with this VS Code instance. Now I'll ask it, please review the code base and share some insights. ChatGPT starts processing, reviewing all the files, analyzing patterns, pointing out potential coding issues, and surfacing things worth attention. It summarizes the repository, highlights findings, and gives design observations. Now I can even ask, what is the purpose of this code? And it responds that this is a small simulator for a member outreach streaming use case. Python producers emit synthetic web events and phone call events to Kafka, and a consumer reads them back. It's a simple project that would typically run on top of IBM Cloud Pak for integration. Now imagine adding AI into the mix. It can write all of your code in your language of choice, check it in, test it, commit it, and coach you through running and documenting the project just by asking. This is a superpower. Take advantage of it.